Imagine not having to deal with inventory, unsold stock, shipping, or returns. Instead, you can entrust all that to a reliable partner like Printful. Get unmatched quality products made and shipped worldwide without leaving your desk. Printful is free to use. You only have to pay us for the items you sell. Spend less time on production and more time building something great. To get started with Printful, just follow these 3 steps. Start by creating your products. Stand out from the competition with leading production techniques and high-quality merchandise made by our team. Upload your designs or use our built-in tools to make things fast and easy, even if you're a design novice. Next, connect Printful to your store. We have direct integrations with the most popular marketplaces and platforms, from Shopify and Etsy to TikTok Shop and Amazon, wherever your customers are. The best part is you don't have to limit yourself to one store. Create as many as you want. Lastly, add products to your store. All our product prices already include the cost of the default print option. Choose from a range of realistic mock-up images, set your prices, and let the orders roll in. You can go from signing up to launching your first product in just 60 minutes. When a customer buys a product from your store, we charge you for fulfillment and begin production. We run the entire production process ourselves with facilities across the globe. Items are made as close to your customers as possible, reducing your shipping costs and environmental impact. Customers will see nothing but your branding through the entire customer journey, so you can build recognition and foster a strong community around your brand. Our consistent product quality will keep your customers coming back. Build your brand with one partner by one team under one roof. Get started for free today.